Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based upon my viewer watching this video at any time. So, uh, I have uploaded two video about the chart. So today, the last part of the chart function I will be talking about, and I will be explaining the four concept in this part. So, what is the concept is quick analysis button, add chart and sparkline, work with total, applying the conditional formatting. So these are the four concepts that I will be explaining in this video series, and what it is I will be giving you some example and how we can know about this. I will be talking. So now the quick analysis tool. What is quick analysis? Quick analysis tool first. So it's a feature. It's one of a feature that allows analysis of data with a few clicks. So whatever we are doing in, I have shown you in my previous two video, that is a process that we have to apply while presenting your chart. So but this is a shortcut way. With a few click you can analyze the data. So select a data range. So you select a data range as we always do, and quick analysis button appears. Allow you to quickly create a chart. It allowed to quickly create a chart and add a graph called sparkline, tiny graph. It's a tiny graph. It's a sparkline with this help to analyze your data and work. You can work with you can so you can work with your total. So you can work with your total. Okay. So this is the sparkline. So I am going to show you this. See, it's I will show you. So see, it's a data. I will delete this. I will delete the data. Okay. So I will select this range, and what you are seeing is this is called the quick analysis tool. So by reading these screen tips, use the quick analysis tool to quickly and easily analyze your data with some Excel most useful tool such as chart, color coding and formula. So if you click this quick analysis button, command button, so what you see, the formatting, chart, tools, you see formatting, chart, total, table and sparkline. This is a what, it's a with a few click you can find it very easy to create a chart. So we are talking about this. Okay, so here in chart I will click here. So it is a easiest way, it is a quickest way to get to your chart. See, this is it. So home, insert, page layout, it is a quick way to create a chart and multiple things. So in this I want to insert an sparkline. So I also want to show you that where this button is. Okay, home, find this in the tab, in the ribbon tab is insert chart, and there is a sparkline group. There is a sparkline group, and you can create a minimum tiny little chart within your diagram. Okay, this is the quickest way to create a chart. This is a chart. So it, how I done it, I will show you again. See, select it. Okay, and with this quick access analysis tool, click it, and there is a chart, and there is a the multiple chart option shown here. It, and if you want more, then click it, more display option is there. So it will go directly to the insert chart. Okay, this is a quick analysis tool. So now how we can create this. So see, what you are seeing is it is a sparkline. It is a I have created by using a sparkline. So I will delete it. Okay, I will delete it. Show you. I will delete this. Okay, So I'm using the spackline. Now I'm not selecting the field, okay, 2014, 15, 16, 17, this field I will not selecting. So I will select this whole thing and I will click the quick analysis, or you can do the control Q. So now the sparkline I've clicked the line option, okay. So while I'm creating the line option, so see in the area I have selected beside the in the column G, there will create one small chart, tiny charts, okay. You can change the color also, okay. And here's what it will provide you in this small graph. In a small graph you can point it the high point and low point. See, you can create what you're seeing here. So see, look it, I will zoom it. So see, with the help of quick analysis tool, you can quickly analyze your chart. So what you're seeing is here high point within this criteria. I have selected this, okay. I have selected this. So where is a high point? There is a high point in 740. 740 is a high point. In my coffee there is 740, and what it will see in 740, and low point is 440. It will see, it will be dropping high, and which product is gradually increasing. In my analysis, which product is gradually increasing is this is the product is gradually increasing. Espresso and premium is gradually increasing, and similarly which product is gradually decreasing is this product, bakery. See, within this data I can analyze in this way, okay. So this is one thing. So I will delete it, okay. I will show you again another style, okay. Click quick analysis button, and there is a sparkline, there is a column. You can also get some column. It is a tiny graph, okay. And there is a win-lose percentage, okay. Sparkline are mini chart placed in the single cell, each representing a row of a data in your selection. You can use analysis. So here what I want to show you is the how you can work with total. You can see if I sum this column, what is the total? 3057. If I count it, what is it is 5, okay. If I average it, something is like this, okay. So now I am selecting this A3 to AF7, AF3, okay. Then I am selecting the quick analysis tool, and I will go to total column. In total there is a see sum, average. If you create a sum, it will show the sum. It will average, count 1 1 1 5. If I want to sum the total, see, if I sum this, it is quickly total you the selected data range, okay. So 3057 you are seeing the quick analysis tool. Likewise, like is this running balance, it is accumulating 6957 plus 740 is equal to the 1437, and then after plus 605 it is a 2042. It is accumulating. So you can many ways you can use it. So this is average of this first coffee, count 5, percentage 100%, and I will show you other things also. You can always show the percentages. Coffee 22%. In the 2014 to 2018 there is a 22.80%, 24.21%. In 2016 19.7%. In the list there is a 14% also. You can analyze it in a quick way. You can analyze the data, okay. This is the quickest way to analyze your data. by using the sparkline and the by using the this sparkline tool. So see, here is also table, you can use this also. Now the formatting, this is a data bar. So I click it, okay. So I am selecting A3 to F3, okay. I am data bar, this is a formatting, conditional formatting option, okay. So I am selecting this, it colored my cell. So 740 cell is full, means it is highest, and what is the lowest, it will. So if I select all of this and apply the conditional formatting, so this is a quick way to analyze your data, okay. See, it will show like this. So it is in each row, in coffee espresso, which is the highest, 810. In bakery, which is the highest, 352. So in coffee, in which year it is highest, in 658, 2018. So likewise it is, you can analyze easily like this. We can also select another option, quick data bar, okay. So here coloring, different coloring it. So see, you can change this color also. This is analyzed, okay. Icon set. So clear, I will first clear it and click the quick access bar and icon. See, this is what it will be showing. In the coffee in 2014 to 2015 and 2016, it is increasing. In but it is 440 and 575. It is downwarding, it is 150. So see, the lowest data show the down arrow, and the highest revenue of overall in this selected data range, it will show up, and in average it is show the. It will help to quickly analyze your data and get some knowledge about the data, how it is increasing or decreasing. It is the quickest way to analyze your data, okay. So this is the completion of the chart function. So I hope you people get some knowledge by seeing this video, and will help in your work. So take care.